Guys, today we're going to cook. I'm so excited with this. It's because I'm supposed to be cooking our lunch, but someone is saving me again. I have a friend, I call him my friendship Rudy, and he is actually volunteering to cook our lunch. So we decided that we're going to have lechon manok. So we're going to show you everything. So lechon manok is actually one of the Filipinos' favorite food. So I'm going to show you, no, not actually me, my friend Rudy is going to show us how to prepare and cook the lechon manok, and then we're going to put it on the table, and my role is just to try it and show it to you. So hopefully you will enjoy the day with us and you will learn something. So I have to take you next door. It's because doon po tayo mag-prepare and then we will cook from there, and then but we're going to eat in here. Alright, so let's go! Okay guys, we have our chicken. So we're going to grill or make a, how do you call it in the Philippines? We call it lechon manok. We have chicken, pepper and salt, onion, garlic, lemongrass. Yeah, lemongrass in UK doesn't have leaves, so it's just the stalk that we are going to use, and then spring onion. Guys, this is my best friend Rudy. So yes, so friendship Rudy is going to show us how to prepare the chicken for lechon manok. Okay, so anong unahin? So
start for the salt.
Okay, so anong gagawin natin sa salt? Alright, Sen. We're going to start from the salt and pepper first. So, uunahin, ilalagay ang pepper and salt sa loob ng manok. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. That's it.
First.
Friendship, naghugas ka ba ng kamay?
Yes.
Okay, so
I wash my hand first.
Okay, naghugas na siya ng kamay bago tayo nagumpisa. That is very important when we're preparing food. Maguna ng kamay. Okay, so you just have to spread the pepper and the mixture of pepper and salt. 3 teaspoons on each chicken. And then, ano yan, aalog-alogin. Shake, shake, shake the pepper and salt inside the chicken. Okay. And next.
Onion and garlic.
And next, haluin or mix your, we just have to put the garlic first, yeah? Okay. So next, garlic. Tansya-tansya lang po kung ilan yung ilalagay yung garlic. But I think the more garlic you can put, the better, right? No? Mas masarap pag mas maraming garlic. Okay. And then next one.
Onion.
You put onion. Everyone, what we are actually doing is we are preparing the chicken to be grilled. So in the Philippines, we call it inasal or no, inihaw na what?
Lechon
manok. Sorry. Yeah. In the Philippines, we call it lechon manok. So what's next?
Onion spring.
All right. Lemongrass. Okay. So do we need to chop the lemongrass? No need? Yes. Okay, so you just have to squeeze it like that, okay? Yes. Okay. And just put it inside chicken. Okay.
Next.
And then the last one will be our spring onion. No need to slice it as well. So you just have to, fold it into small size and then just stick it inside the chicken. And then, so now you just have to rub more pepper and salt outside the chicken. Okay, as you can see how Friendship Rudy is doing it. Para po magkalasa po yung yung labas ng manok. Lalo na po ang how do you call this? The skin of the chicken. The more taste that you have for the skin of the chicken, the better. Kasi mas masarap po na malasa ang skin ng chicken. I know other people doesn't like to eat the skin of the chicken because they think that it is unhealthy. Pero actually, yan ang pinakamasarap. So, life is so short. I'm not so sure how do you call this thing, but ito po yung ginagamit namin sa paglelechon dito. Okay. So,
And then,
there you are. All the
Wait.
chickens are in place. Do we need to tie the chicken?
the whole.
Hold on. So now, Friendship is going to anchor those skins so that to make sure that all stuffing will not come out of the chicken. We need to make sure that all stuffing is inside because we want to keep the taste intact. If possible, all juice of the stuffing should retain inside the chicken so that it can be absorbed by the meat of the chicken. Look. Ooh. Alright guys, so our chicken is ready. So let's go and bring it outside now. We need to start grilling. Right, so this is the grilling area. Okay, dito po kami naglelechon. Dito po si Friendship naglelechon. Yes, he always cook lechon. If you want to have lechon, just contact us. Send me a message. Comment down below and then I will give you information kung gusto nyo po magpalechon. Okay? You just tell us if you want to try lechon na baboy or lechon na manok. Please message me or comment down below and I'll keep in touch with you and I'll give you the details where you can get lechon. Okay, we're just going to prepare the charcoal so that we can start grilling the chicken. Right, the charcoal is ready, so we're just going to move the chicken.
A little bit high. It's too low. Just too high.
So what should be the height of the chicken, Friendship, from the charcoal?
Just like
What, one foot?
no.
One ruler or
No,
just less than one ruler?
maybe 5 inches.
Oh, 5 inches?
Yeah, or 8 inches. Maybe make sure close to the charcoal. Close.
Closer to the charcoal?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, so the height of the chicken from the charcoal should be just almost on top of the charcoal. As long that when it is rolling, it's not going to touch the charcoal, right? Tama ba ako, Friendship?
Yeah.
Okay. More or less, mga 6 inches above sa charcoal po ang height ng manok. And then, paikot-ikot lang po siyang ganyan. Ano nang ginagawa natin? Binababa mo na ng konti para mas mag-brown pa siya. Okay, so Friendship just adjusted the height of the chicken so that it will turn more brownish or reddish because it's actually cooked now, so we just want to put some more color in it so that it will look more appetizing. Okay. Okay, we're almost ready. So maybe I have to prepare the table so that we can go and eat our, what is it now, Friendship? Lunch and dinner at the same time. Okay, so I will prepare the table and I will see you there later. Ito na po, luto na siya. Did you check the temperature, Friendship?
Yeah, we'll check first.
Okay. Try to check the temperature. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano na siya. Okay na. Kasi okay na siguro yan, di ba?
Yeah, susluto na. Okay, 70 now.
Wow. Okay na siya. So above 60. So that's good.
Check.
Alright. What's that? What's
75.
that? 75. Okay. Alright then. Super cook na. Super cook. It's already super cooked. So
Now I move this one.
now it's ready for eating. It's ready for us. Okay. Okay. Guys, the chicken is on the table. So it's ready for me. And obviously, I asked hubby to cook a yellow rice for us. A good match for the lechon manok. And I made my dip, which is actually made of tomato. And there you are. 2 chicken is waiting for us. Guys, I'm going to start eating now and I will show you and I will tell you how delicious it is. Chip, thank you so much for helping me preparing and cooking the chicken. No, lechon manok. Friendship, say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Alright then, do the honor, friendship. Do the honor. Here, this
This
one.
one first.
Okay, let's try that one. Okay, we're just having our dinner together. The best part of the chicken is the bony part. Masarap po ang kain. Pagkasama mo ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Ang sarap. Ano ang masarap dito sa lechon manok ng friendship ko? Fresh from the charcoal. Yan ang masarap. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me and my friendship Rudy. I'm so grateful that he had the time to teach us how to prepare and cook lechon manok. That is one of our favorite here at home, and it's so easy and so delicious. For those who wants to try my friendship Rudy's lechon manok, please comment below or just send a message to me and I'll let you know how you can get one. And yeah, I highly recommend. It's so delicious and it's so yummy. So guys, thank you so much again, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos, and see you next time. Bye!